This is a beautiful and easy crochet shawl that you can make as a beginner as well. This is the moss stitch shawl. I added a beautiful border to this shawl. It is quite quick to make. It is only a one stitch repeat, so this is a very easy and mindless crochet pattern you can follow. This reminds me a little bit about Valentine's Day. It's soon coming up when I'm recording this video. So I made one in this nice pink color. I made my shawl in a wool yarn made with alpaca yarn. So this is very soft and very warm. I used a variegated yarn. I added this color. This is plain color in pink. I used about 4 skeins of this. 50 gram has 150 meters. So I'm using a 6mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and you will also need scissors. Of course, you can also use one color or you can use 2 different colors to really show off the moss stitch. As you can see, it has more definition if you use multiple colors, but also with one color this looks very neat. So if you're new here, my name is Ragnhild. I have a blog yarnhild.com where I share my free crochet patterns. Also, I have a channel here on YouTube where I share my crochet tutorials. So please subscribe if you're interested in more content from me. I'm going to demonstrate this pattern with these 2 colors today. This is Big Merino from Drops. This is my fine merino wool. This yarn asks for a 5mm crochet hook. First off, we're going to start with the slip knot. So here, make your slip knot, insert the hook and pull tight. Chain 4. This is how I like to hold my yarn. And I hold it here to get a nice yarn tension. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Join to the first chain to make a loop like so. So here we're going to crochet into this hole. To start, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Go into the hole here, the loop, and do 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and do 1 single crochet like so. Chain 2, this will be our center. 1 and 2, and here do 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet. So this doesn't look like much, but it will. So now this is what your work should look like. In here we're going to work into the chain 1 spaces from now. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn the work. Go into the first chain 1 space and do 1 single crochet. Chain 1. Find the next chain 1 space. Here it is. It's a little hidden. And do your single crochet. Chain 1. Now you reach the center. 1 single crochet. Chain 2, 1 and 2. And 1 more single crochet in the same space. Chain 1. Find the next space. Here it is. So there. Chain 1. And here is your last space. Do 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same space. So this is the row that you will repeat until you're happy with the size. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn the work. Find the first chain 1 space, 1 single crochet, chain 1, find the next, 1 single crochet, chain 1, find the next, 1 single crochet, and chain 1, and here now in the middle, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, the last one, 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. I'm going to show you how to change the color now. So start your double crochet here and yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops, but we're going to yarn over the last time with the new color, like so. And now just pull a little bit and then chain 3. So here and now first space, 1 single crochet, chain 1. So just repeat this. Now as we are working with the new color, you can see the stitch definition on this pattern very nicely. In the middle you have your 1 single crochet and chain 2 and 1 single crochet. I like this one with multiple colors. And here is the last one. 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. Now looking nice. So now when I'm working with more colors, I would suggest to cut the yarn if you don't, because it's nicer, or you can, you can do whatever you want. Chain 3, turn the work, and then just continue. So easy and fun. Mindless crochet pattern. I'm going to show you, I'm going to work a few rounds or rows. I'm going to show you how I did the edging. This is just a little example since I already made one. So I'm just running out of yarn, so I'm just going to attach. I do the same with the single crochet as I did with the double crochet. I just finish the last pull through with the new color. No, oops. Here is the last stitch. Remember, 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So this is how the line and stitch crochet shawl works up, or they also call it the moss stitch shawl. So here again with the new color. So when you have reached your desired size, you have a few options. You can leave it as it is. You could also single crochet around the whole shawl. Then I would just chain 2 in the corner, single crochet in each stitch, in each row. And here you can chain 2 instead of a single crochet in the middle here, and you can just single crochet here. But if it's getting too tight, you could also add more stitches here, so you have to see. But I'm going to show you how I did my border here. So for this, I'm changing the color again, and I'm gonna chain 1, turn. In the first stitch here, I'm going to do 1 single crochet. Then we're going to do a picot stitch. So chain up 3, 1, 2, oops, and 3. Now you can see here is your first stitch, but go here below, like so, and also here, and then grab the yarn and do a slip stitch, like so. Go into the next stitch here and do 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, we're going to do 1 picot stitch again, 1 single crochet, chain up 3, and do a slip stitch. Also would like to go here. No, some go there, but I'm going through the base of the single crochet and on the leg here, and a slip stitch. And just continue like this. Here is the next stitch, 1 single crochet, and here is the next stitch, 1 single crochet, and the picot stitch, chain up 3 and do a slip stitch. You could also add the border around the whole thing if you want to. But anyway, this is how I did it with my shawl. You can also find other borders here on YouTube. I'm just going around here the chain and doing a normal single crochet. Here is the next one. Chain up 3, 1, 2, and 3, and slip stitch. So you just want to continue doing this until you get here to the top, like here. So I will meet you there. So this is what my border looks like. And here I'm at the top here. So you're going to find the middle part, the chain 2 space. Go into the chain 2 space and make 1 single crochet, chain 3 and make a picot stitch. So slip stitch. Then you're gonna do 1 single crochet. And now you're gonna do 1 single crochet with the picot stitch 1 more time. So you have 2 picot stitches and 1 single crochet in the chain 2 space. Go into the next stitch, you have a 1 single crochet there and do 1 single crochet, and into the chain 1 space, into the chain 1 space, you're going to do 1 single crochet with a picot stitch, and then you just continue like this all the way. So this is how your work should look. Now you have 2 picot stitches and 1 single crochet in the middle part, and now I'm just going to continue here until the end of the row, and here I'm at the end, and it's the same. Find the next stitch, do 1 single crochet, and in the last chain space you're going to do 1 picot stitch. To fasten off, I'm going to do 1 slip stitch here on the side, and then you can cut the yarn and weave in the ends. And now I'm going to show you how I block my shawl. it is always a good idea to block it, to like it relaxes stitches and makes the shawl fall much more, it makes the shawl much more drapey. So I would really recommend you to do this. I did this on my shawl before I added the border. But this is how it looks, my little example here. It's a really, really nice pattern. It works up quite quick and it's easy to make. To block your shawl, you're just gonna put it in water. I'd like to use like body tempered water, not too warm and not too cold. So I'm just soaking it in my sink here. And I used a special wash detergent from that is specialized with wool. But I guess you can also use whatever you have. But I like to use like a wool, something for wool. But I just let it lie there for like 20 minutes or so. And when I'm done, I just put it up and I roll it in a towel like this to get the water out. And you just lie it like this for a couple of minutes and then just stretch it out, and I add a few pins on the sides and I just let it dry like this overnight. And yeah, this is how I block my work. I hope that you like this pattern, and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Goodbye.